Okay friends, I think we have just rectified the error, I think so. So what I have to do is, when you get to the CFG, and this is the old YOLO version, actually what have they done is, you have to just take this ashes in order to activate within the code and get this 416 for this. So in the new code actually they have given this 608. So this is the error. So I have done lots of stupidity inside the video. Please go and watch it. This is what you are all trying to do, I think so. Let me get it. So what I have to do is just change it. So go to the CFG and now get to the darknet folder. Wait a minute. You have to go to the CFG and go to the YOLO v3 you are using. Where is it? It's over here. And get this text editor. So just organize this and just I think change the image to 416. Close it. 416 and delete it. 416. Save it. Go here. Go to the make file and just put 1. Save it. Just make it again. So it has been done. So just go here and put sudo rm -2. Just clean the GPU and just let's try to compile it. So this was the problem. Actually this was the problem, I think so. Nothing but you have to change the image size, friends. So I have just started with many stupidity in this video. So please go through that. Just go to the YOLO v3. Get rid of this ashes. Take this ashes and put 416 over here and put 416 over here. Just change this 608 to 416. That's it. I have tried lots of stupidity. You need to go beyond this thing and watch the video. If you want to see, please go and watch. As I am telling you, each and every time when somebody asks me what to do for the error, I just say them, get this error code and just paste it over here and it will give you all the results. That's it. So I am not an expert in this. Let me tell you, I have just converted me into doing lots of image learning algorithms. So I am going to try this TensorFlow. So this guy asked me how to do it. I just wanted to help him. So I made this video. So please go through this. I think he gave me a very good task. It took me about 1 hour to figure it out. So when you think something is really very, thank this guy, is very awkward, you just need to just sit and think. This is what happens here. So please, it's so simple that you have to go here. Go to the, don't try all these things. Some may work and some may not work. It is so simple as that you have to go to this and you have to change the 608 value to 416 and take these ashes out. That's it. But I have tried lots of things inside. Go watch that stupidity what all I have done. Okay friends, one fine day I get up in the morning and in my YouTube section you get this thing that a guy says that I could not resolve this problem, some kind of problem, and it shows that Src cuda.c 36 problem has arisen. And this is the guy who asked me, Fajre Kamsura, some guy, I don't know. He asks me how to resolve this and I say some thing to him. So So I say him to give his CFG files and everything, and he says that, and it is not could not opening that. So what I did is I just want to clear this error. So what is this error? This darknet source cuda.c 36 check error assertion 0 fail. So after a long time I have just quitted doing videos on YOLO because I am concentrating on TensorFlow, PyTorch and other things and SSDs. I have just quitted it, but when I get in the morning, when I see this, I was very shocked that it didn't work for me also. So what I did is I just the same extension what he did, I did the same, and I went through all those things, and what happened is when I do this, it gets into the error for me too. So what they say is I went through lots and lots of bug tracking through GitHub, and there were lots of advice, do this, do that, change the configuration files and everything, and after that I got to this thing. This is what I say, you first, before asking some comment in putting some doubts, please go through the net. Just what I'm saying is, I'm telling you again, just copy this thing and just paste it here, and it will list lots of search for you. Then what you have to do is you have to go there, then you have to search, and you have a solution at some point. It is so simple that you don't want to go through all the technical details of this. When somebody says a simple line like, thank you, I solved it, I made this. So what he says is he has updated the cuda.c, and you have to download this from here. I'll give you this site, you'll have no problem with that. And this is the updated thing of the cuda.c. So where you have to go now is you have to go to the home and the file system. This is nearly some kind of Ubuntu, and you have to go to the user file system, and you have to go to the user, and you have to see here, let me get it. So you go to the local, and there are two cuda 9s and cuda, and get here cuda, and what you have to do is you go to this source, and you already have this file. So when you see this, this is nearly what they say. So what I will do is you must delete this, and you should nearly download this file and save it in a directory. I have saved it in my document side. So you have to copy it in the root menu. So what I have to do is close this, close this, no, yes, close this, and now what you do is you get here, open the terminal. So now you have to go to the root menu, SU, and give your password. Okay, right. After giving your password, what you have to do is you have to delete this already existing file. So rm minus rf and type cuda.c. I think this works. So the file has been deleted. So now what you have to do is you have to copy this thing. So you have to copy this extension to here, okay, to this pre-existing folder. You have to just put cp and get the documents folder, and you have to just right click it, get this, and just where is it, paste it over here, and leave a space and paste it over here, and just get to the end. So it has been pasted now. So after that, this is the corrected form of cuda. I hope this works. So what I will do is then get to the darknet, and nothing to be done. So let's check this. So get to the darknet, put one over here, and just compile it again. Let's wait for it. It's running. Okay, let's cross our fingers and hope this works. or else I'm going to try the next one, or else if it fails I'm not going to upload the video. I'm going to try again and again and again, because you know I even need to clear this problem. So just try this. So you have the error again. So now what you have to do is you have to go to the CFG and go to the yolo V3, and you have to just reduce it to 1. So I'm sorry. So we have just for testing we have not done anything special, so you have to just on this testing. So there is no need of any copying or thing, I think so. So this is a waste of time, I don't know. So even it makes sense somewhere. So let's get to the darknet. Go again. So how fool I am. There is no use of just copying a new kind of thing, I think so. Just make it again. So what the mistake we done is, I think so we have not taken this hash so that it could be included in the code. So you have to take this hash symbol and let's compile it again and let's test it. If it works I'm going to upload it. If it does not work I'm not going to upload it. It's simple as that. Okay, it's going on. Okay, let's hope for the best. Oh my god, it failed again. So what I'll do, let's try by just making it deactivating this, I think so. So these are the some things we have to do, I think. So let's go to the make file again and just paste it and just put 1, just save it. Now make it. Then let's test it now. Hope this works. So I just could not figure it out. Don't know what's the problem with that. Maybe with the images, I think so. So these all are the procedures we have done. So the another thing they say is, what they say is, they say to change this cuda error t status, the default value in your cuda.h. So values for the rest, which GPU get the results, and check the output. And they say pretty much basic learning. So okay, so this is what they say to do, and nothing happened so far. So I don't know what's the problem. This problem only just arisen after this latest version. In the first version I don't know that they have used this coco.data, but in this version it really now in the YOLO thing it just suffers a lot. Even though you can use these old things for the darknet, no problem. So let's try to rectify this. So let's go by one. Let's try one by one. Please bear with me. If you need a solution, please bear with me. So what they say is, reduce the batch value to 64 or 32, subdivision to 2. 32 and subdivision to 2. So what they are saying is, so let me take this hash out and check it now. Then again go to the make file and just make it out. Okay, so let's now cross our fingers and make it. So I think you have just not included this in the training, I think so. So let's see what happens. It runs. Okay, I think this thing could work. Then go and just test it. May God help us. No God is prepared to help us. Oh my God, I am really upset now. I don't know what's the problem with this. Okay, no problem. Just bear with me. Let me check and finished. I have just gone through all these things, and this guy says that you have to check cuda is automatic. I followed these steps. Oh my God, I just pulled out my keyboard. Wait a minute. Okay, and suppose resize. What he says is you have to resize these images to 576 to 576. So let's try that too. Okay, just try that too. 576 to 5. Okay, wait. 576. Now let's try a very little one and just try to make it again. So in order to make it again, what you do is you have to just go here, take this, compile this one, and just put 1 and just go do it. Just type make and let's wait. It runs, and you can just go have a tea or something, then come back. Let's see whether the third attempt help us. So I am just making this because I even don't know the solution what to do for this. So let's see. I will try to rectify this. Okay, run. Okay, run, done. Okay, let's check again. We have this problem again. I don't know what is the real problem. So let's even change it to the very little size. So let's change this to 64, I think so, 64, and let's change it to 428. Let's change it to 428 of these images. Let's change it to 420. Why not channels there? We have to just change this to 428, or else you have to check with this. So let's check now. But I really love this bug tracking because when somebody asks me in the YouTube what to do, I really love to do it because it is just like an investigation. Just like Sherlock Holmes, you go through the bugs, you try to rectify it. Okay, this also didn't work. Let's see for the next one. Please bear with me. I will tell you some stories, sweet stories. And assertion failed. And this guy says this. There was a error like this, so and so, and something happened. So virtual architecture list. So what he says is arc in makefile. You can find the arc value website here. So they say that you have to put this arc value. So this is supposed to be here. Virtual architecture environment. So I don't know what is the architecture of my GPU because I have an 710 only 2 GB graphics card. So let me check this. So let's try this. No problem. So go to the make file and put, okay, wait a minute, compute so and so, okay, so and so, okay, thank you. So 30 and compute, put 32 and just save it, and let's try again. Okay, Now go here and just click make. It runs. Okay. Okay, it's running. Now we have changed the architecture format. Okay, let's now check whether this works. Okay, we always have failures. Keep on failing. It makes you strong. It really makes you very strong. Okay, friends. So let's check for the next solution in the Google groups. So wait a minute. We have some problem with that. If you want to remove file, you have to put minus or F, and you have to put Ubuntu Linux, and so. It's like that. I don't know what to change in this. Actually, when you go here, you have to be very careful that you have this. Where is it? Over here, and you have this source CUDA, and you have this thing that CUDA and CUDA 9. When you go here and try to open this, you get the same thing. You see here, it is CUDA 9, and after that you go to this folder and you try to open. It is like a shortcut, and it also says that it's a CUDA 9. I think it is a shortcut of this thing. So I even have changed it over here, but I don't know why does it do that. So let's go to the source now. Okay, the last thing is that, because they only say to do it in the source, but I have done it in the another thing. So I see some here, whereas source, you don't have source anywhere. Yes, okay, right. Then go to the user. You have the source CUDA Linux, that this. Okay, done all over thing. So let's, our last chance. I won't say this last chance. I'll keep on trying till I die. I don't care. So, and give your password 61985. Okay. So what you have to do is, you have to just copy that thing and just paste it here. So go to the documents where you have downloaded that cuda.c. According to this guy who have given the information of the downloading, just go here. So we have already downloaded it. That's a good news. Send, just download it. Okay, that only cost about 1 KB. Okay, get it. Go to the documents. Where is it? It's already here. So where is our root folder now? It's here, not it's here. Okay. So simply get to the user C. Let's try the last chance we have. Not a last chance. I'm just trying it. If I complete it, I'm going to upload it, or else I'm not going to do it. So what you do is get CP and just hit space and properties. Get the path. Copy this. Paste it over here. /cuda.c and space, and get this, dear friends, and just paste it. So you just need this to be here, I think so. So let's see this works. I have done something wrong, I think so. Not ash. Okay, now you have seen this cuda.c over here. So let's hope and just compile. Nothing to be done for all. So next, go here to the make file. Okay, what just happened? It's already open. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll go to that and just try to compile it. So let's see this works. So I'm just making this for that guy who is just really very troubled with this error. So let us see. I have not till answered him. I'll send the link to him. If you people have the same error, please tell me whatever error you get. I'll try to solve it if I have time. Please don't get angry at me, because I even need to go to the job and look after me. And what I have to do is, and just make this and just let's test it. It has to work. It's running very fast. Oh, now you have 256. Oh my god, utils.c. So you don't have this utils.c in the source, so somewhat we are near to the problem. The file exists in the darknets. Okay, utils.c. I have this error, so let's paste this again. So I have a lots of file open. Let me close all those things because my screen recording could really crash. Actually, my spouse just shouted at my kids because my kids are making me very angry. I don't know why, even though I have to bear it for my kids. Okay, that's why you hear this sound. Okay, we have this. Just go here. And what he says is, when you have this problem, instead of using the equation exact number, change the line as to 237. So we have to change the as of 237 in the YOLO v3 classes plus something. So classes is about 80. So 80 plus 5 is something like that. So into 5 it will be very greater. When you have two classes, there is a problem. You have 125. I don't know why filters is supposed to be great. I think so. So let's check that. I think this could be a really problem. I think so. So go to the calc, because in the YOLO CFG, YOLO v3 CFG, when you go down to the classes, you have this 80. So what you have to do is, you have to calculate this for classes plus 5. So 80 plus 5, okay, 85 into 5. So you get 425, and you have here 255 above the classes. So this is about 425. So let me see the number again. Okay, 425. So this 255. Let's change this. So I think this could be even the problem. 425. Just save it. Then get to the darknet. Where's the darknet? Where's the darknet? Where's the darknet? Oh, over here. Let's get here. Just make a small change like that. Then try to make it again. So let's see this works. Running. I love this when my computer does this. It just runs down. It's just like those movies, huh? Let's see. So our video took about 24 minutes. If I upload this, people are going to be mad at me because actually rectifying this error nearly took a lot of time. So let's see what happens. My heart is now really broke because you have this utils.5c. You have this error now in this. So let's try to change YOLO v3. We have changed it to 425 and this thing. Okay, and we have this. So let's give all those things as. So I'm not going to perform this. It's actually, this was actually in 608, I think so, or 626, I don't know. 608, I think so, 608. Okay, let's change the parameter reverse. Okay. Oh, actually this is for training, dear, not for this. So just save it and just give a hash over here in order to just I don't know why I'm doing this, but let me see what happens. Let's try it. Now you see, actually when you just do this, you have this utils.c problem. After that, when you do this, you have this cuda.c problem. So when I try to activate this, so let me activate all those things: training, batch, subdivision, and testing. Just save it, go here and just hit enter. Channels 3. So still you have this error now. So let's just make it 64 and this one to 16. Okay, then save it, then just go here. So you even get this error as before as possible. So let's put all those things as one. Let's see, I think we have just localized the error. Now we have just cornered it. So let's see what type of error does it get. I'm just randomly changing everything. I have to do nothing. So some type of configuration will work. So just put one, just save it, go here. No, not that. Okay, so let me pause the video, let me localize the error.